Well, hello guys, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, I tell you what, we got the trencher belt on there, and it took, I'm doing this from my own memory, a 6841 green stripe belt. Remember that. We may need one later. But anyway, we're going to take this thing out here, and we're going to go out there and we're going to dig us a trench. So y'all come along and let's check this thing out. Well, here we go. We're ready to go on out there and give it a test run. What I'm going to do is I'll drive the stake in the ground and I'll stretch the cable out. This is the little winch mechanism, and this mechanical eccentric over there on that shaft, it'll do this ratchet motion and it'll roll tension up on the spool and roll the cable up on that drum. And in turn it's going to pull the trencher toward whatever you have it anchored to. Right now it's got that much slack in the chain, and probably don't want it to get a whole lot more than that, but what I did is I made a stop. I've got like 2 crab bolts that hold this, pinch the bar, and then this is a physical stop that the bar will only go so far back. So anyway, I'm going to keep an eye on that, make sure this chain doesn't get too loose. Well, this is all gravel.
Oh, is it?
That I hauled from over there and took back here. What this is gravel that I'd laid back here behind the shop. And we were going, I think that's about 14 inches. So I wasn't far off 16 inches down, digging through gravel. And so anyway, that trencher is doing pretty good, doing everything I'd hope it'd do. Well guys, how about that? I tell you what, we took it out back, dug 16 inches deep in the gravel, and I tell you what, you couldn't be more proud of a little machine like that. I tell you, it's come a long ways from a rusted pile that hadn't even seen the dirt in probably 15, 20 years. So anyway, we got it back going, and I'm happy as I could be with it. I've got a lot of projects planned for it, so I tell you what, that's what will be coming next. So as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.